up, guys? How are you doing, my friends? This is Thiago again from Flip, and today for this class we'll talk about two different topics, alright? We'll talk about the expressions be like and look like, alright? So in this video we'll have some definitions and examples on how to use them for you to understand how to use these two expressions, alright? So I hope you enjoy the video. Take a look. Okay, my friends, so as I said before, today we'll talk about the expressions be like and look like, alright? So let's start with some short definitions about them. First one, we have be like. Characteristics of personality, okay? So be like is always related to personality. And the expression look like indicates physical appearance, physical characteristics, alright? But there is something important that you have to consider in this case, okay? The thing is, in these cases, when we use the expressions be like and look like, the word like does not represent a verb, alright? But an expression used to indicate comparison, alright? So forget about the verb like in this case. In this context right here, we don't use the word like as a verb, okay? So, moving on, I can talk more specifically about be like, which, as I said before, is related to personality, alright? So here I have a picture. This, my friends, is George Clooney. I believe you know George Clooney. He's a famous actor, right? Imagine I have a question about his personality, alright? The question is, what's he like? I mean, what is George Clooney like? What are his characteristics of personality, right? So, he is talented, funny, and calm, alright? So, notice that the three adjectives I used, talented, funny, and calm, are related, as I said before, to his personality, okay? And then, moving on, continuing, I can talk about look like, which is related to appearance, to physical characteristics. For this, I have another picture. This, my friends, is Jennifer Aniston. She is also a famous actress, right? So probably you know her. So, what about her appearance? What about her physical characteristics? I have a question about it. So the question is, what does she look like? What does Jennifer Aniston look like? Alright? Well, she is tall, thin, and beautiful. She has short blonde hair and green eyes. So you see, all the characteristics I gave her in the answer are physical characteristics, alright? So this is pretty simple. Be like, as I said, is related to personality. Look like is related to appearance. Now, let's review this, okay? Let's take a look at this with more details. I have another picture for you, right? This, my friends, is Chad Smith. Chad Smith is an American musician, alright? And then let's make questions about his personality and about his physical characteristics, okay? First, personality, right? So, what is he like? What is Chad Smith like? Well, he's smart and humorous, right? So, two characteristics of personality. And then I have another question. What does he look like? I mean, what are his physical characteristics? Well, he's a tall man with curly dark hair and blue eyes. So you see, I have a question and an answer about his personality, and I have another question and another answer with his physical characteristics. But take a look at this. It's possible to create another question about physical characteristics, but when you have similar characteristics to another person, right? So let's take a look. Well, the question is, who does he look like? Well, who does Chad Smith look like? Is he similar to somebody that you know? Is he similar to another famous person? Well, let's see. This is Will Ferrell. If you analyze, they are physically similar, right? So, Chad Smith is physically similar to Will Ferrell, right? So, it's possible to make the sentence, Chad Smith looks like Will Ferrell because they are physically similar, okay? So my friends, this is it for the expressions be like and look like. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to watch our other videos on YouTube, alright? Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Take care.